You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. No one could have predicted this week how such a tumultuous situation in global markets would end, but it is surprising that just one weekly report on initial jobless claims in the United States became the catalyst to eliminate most of the damage caused. Asian stock markets showed significant gains on Friday, following a strong recovery on Wall Street. Even concerns about a slowdown in China's economy have begun to ease a little. Meanwhile, there are no significant economic data, earnings reports, or speeches from representatives of the U.S. Federal Reserve System scheduled for today. In the foreign exchange market, the U.S. dollar approached a one-week high against major world currencies after a significant decrease in the initial jobless claims in the United States helped ease concerns about a possible economic downturn. This decline was the largest in the last 11 months, which gave investors hope for economic stabilization. The U.S. currency continued to strengthen against the Japanese yen for the fourth day in a row, helped by an increase in Treasury bond yields. Against the background of improved macroeconomic forecasts and the growth of U.S. stock markets, defensive currencies such as the yen and the Swiss franc weakened, remaining near weekly lows. In the oil market, prices have declined in recent weeks, despite a reduction in global stocks, as traders turned their attention to a possible slowdown in the world's largest economies. Nevertheless, the zone below the $73 per barrel mark provided support, from which quotes began to rise. Further dynamics will depend on how the traders behave around the $77 level and possible fundamental factors. Bitcoin broke the $62,000 mark for the first time since August 3rd, which caused a stir among traders rushing to reconsider their positions in the futures market. After the recent drop below the $50,000 level, which has been dubbed Crypto Black Monday, the cryptocurrency has demonstrated a rapid recovery. Interest in Bitcoin is also fueled by the recent actions of Morgan Stanley, the largest asset manager in the United States, which allowed its financial advisors to recommend investments in Bitcoin to clients through exchange-traded funds. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.